Hey guys, it's day 52 of 100 on OpenClaw. I'm Mike, and today I just want to show you something I've been working on today with my OpenClaw. That sound was just now my OpenClaw giving me an update about what I'm about to show you. All right, let's check it out. All right, so let me tell you about my adventure building this. It's been it's pretty late. It's 3:48 a.m. and it's been quite a bit of time. I've been working on caching, data so that when I refresh, it doesn't have to load every time. These are previous games, the ones that are kind of darkened, and then the highlighted ones are the ones, and then these are the ones that are actively trading and that are highlighted here. So those are like ones that you're in. You can close your position. One of the coolest things that I actually ended up building was this Monte Carlo simulation. Okay, there we go. So you can click on a player and you can see quite a bit. Oh, I gotta update this. So this is how well they hit on any given pitch. So there's sweepers, there's sliders, there's sinkers, there's splitters. The back end has all this data. I'm just getting it to display here. One of the most important things about doing big data projects like this, because it's trying to take in all of the information and then run a simulation, is that it's looking at how batters hit on pitchers and who the projected pitchers will be, because you never really have the same pitcher pitch multiple days in a row, generally. Not to get too much into baseball, you can have it happen because Yamamoto proved that during the World Series, but if it's not the playoffs or the World Series, you don't really ever see that. So you can get a pretty good idea. Usually they announce who the opening pitcher will be, and you can get an idea. I'm still trying to get this to load the history of the last 3 days, and this is why I've been doing some caching and other things like that. Anyways, this simulation runs, and eventually it'll give you a ratio. So basically this loads up all the players, the projected pitchers, their ERA, and other fun facts, and it allows you to click on the players and get information about how they hit on certain pitchers, as well as run a simulation on what will end up happening. So I'm still working on it, but pretty interesting. You have to visualize data like this to get it to work. Again, it's 3:53 now a.m. and when you're building, I can't even begin to tell you how many issues I ran into building this historical scores, other areas over the last 15 or so hours. But it's been a really fun and interesting project to work on, getting all the settings, making sure and seeing which APIs are not working because it has to pull from so many different ones. So I have to kind of analyze that and the intervals at which it pulls to pull data from various APIs. I mean, with AI, the bar for what you can build definitely goes up, but then the complexity of what you've built is the new skill, I think, in this new day and age. So I'm building it to auto, like, bulk speculate on various games. I'm going to test to see if there's any alpha there and have it learn and grow and get to know the players, etc., and see how it does. So the big part is just making sure that it has the right data, garbage in, garbage out. So the goal with the visualization isn't just to have a pretty dashboard. It's to make sure that when I load the analysis that I can see exactly what the data model is getting. And there's a lot of data that goes into this. But it's really late. It's been a lot of fun. And yeah, okay, there are the players. I can click on them. It's loading the player. And yeah, the WAR, wins above replacement. This guy is not contributing to the team. And then just getting the sizing correct to work, and then being able to select and determine how much, etc., has been quite an adventure. A lot of things have gone wrong. I think I've done over 100 pushes today, and just kind of getting, oh, this is wrong, this is right. Oh, that's wrong. P&L's wrong. This is right. Oh, transactions are right. Oh, this is wrong. Oh, that's right. And it's just been a lot of tweaking and back and forth. But ultimately, hopefully, at the very least, this will be cool if I could just get the data correct, because it's just, as a baseball fan, just to be able to look at that is pretty cool. And I'm not really planning on just like betting and doing all this stuff, but it's a very interesting data science experiment. Let's say that. So yeah, that is day 50, whatever day we're on. That's day 50. Gosh, what day are we on? All right, that's day 52 of 100 on OpenClaw. Thanks for watching.